Welcome back, YouTube. So today we're doing Alaskan wild caught red salmon fillet. I've got plenty of honey in here. It's just a nice glaze. And then I put Johnny's seasoned salt on there just for some flavor. And of course some butter as well. So what I did is I just put it in my pan, lined it in foil so I don't have to deal with the mess later on. Just going to tuck them in. I already kind of pre-did this stuff so everything's all ready to go. Just kind of wrap the foil around here. Tuck it in so it's kind of airtight all the way around. That's just a slight pinch so it holds it together. Alright. So then we're just going to toss it right in the oven here. Put it on 350 about 20-25 minutes. I'm going to come back and check it and open it up and see what it looks like. So I'm going to set my stuff out to the side here. Hit bake, 350. Start, okay. And timer, we do about 20, 25. Alright. I'm going to do part 2 here when it comes out, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done.